Many years ago, I was in elementary school, and I remember I'm out on the playground during recess, and a friend ran up to me and asked me this question. Would you rather take $1 million, I can give it to you right now, or would you take a penny that doubled its value for the next 30 days? Which one would you take? Well, fast forward many years later, I'm cracking open Microsoft Excel, and let's solve this. Which one would you take? $1 million upfront, or this magical penny that doubled its value every day for the next 30 days? Which would you take? Help me out here. Jump into the comments section down below this video and let me know, which one would you take? Would you take the $1 million upfront, or would you take that magical penny that doubled its value for the next 30 days? Which one? While you're down there, if you enjoyed this video, you learned something new, give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you get updates about the new videos we add to this channel. All right, let's take a look. Open in front of you, I've got a simple Excel document, not much to it. I've got a days column, a single upfront amount, and I've got the penny that doubles every day. So in the days, I've got 30 days, starting with 1 all the way down to 30. And I've got a single upfront amount of $1 million. Now, in the penny doubled column, I'm going to drop in for the first day, we get a single penny. So I'll say 0.01. We've got that penny right there. Now, I need that penny amount to double its value each day for the next 30 days. Well, I'm going to create a really simple little formula here that'll double this amount for us. Inside of cell C3, I'm going to create a formula. So I'll say equals. I'm now going to reference C2, or the cell directly above that active cell. Then I'm going to multiply that by 2. So it doubles itself. If I hit my enter key, we've now got 2 cents for the next day. Well, now I want to carry that on for the rest of the days, the next 30 days. So if I grab the little autofill handle in the corner there, I'll drag down to the next day. We can see it doubled, 4 cents. I drag down again, we've got 8 cents, and so on. Well, let's say I get all the way down to day 15. At day 15, that magical penny is now doubled all the way up to $163.84. Well, remember the original question, we're now halfway through the 30 days, and I'm not even at $200 yet. That $1 million is looking pretty good, right? Upfront, $1 million in my hand. Well, let's continue here. This is going to give us a little bit of patience, a little bit of perspective of what's happening here as that value doubles itself. Well, if I go down to the 163 again, grab that little handle, say I drop all the way down to day 25. We're only 5 days away from the end of the month. And I'm at $167,772.16. I haven't even reached that $1 million yet. Oh, but remember, it's going to double itself. So let's drag down again. Now I'm at $335,671,000. Oh, by day 28, we've now hit the million plus $1,342,177.28. We got 2 more days left. By day 30, that magical penny that's doubling its value is now hit over $5 million. So which would you want? $1 million up front, or a penny that doubles its value for the next 30 days? All right, if you've enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can get updated videos about Microsoft Excel and other Microsoft Office products. I'll see you in the next video.